Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a vegan slash gluten-free chocolate chip cookie recipe, and I'm so excited because I feel like it's the perfect cookie for the holidays. Yeah, there are other cookies like Snickerdoodle, Gingerbread Man, etc., but I feel like chocolate chip cookies are just, they're so good. Like, who doesn't like a nice chewy chocolatey chocolate chip cookie, you know? I feel like you can't go wrong with a chocolate chip cookie. This recipe is gluten-free and it is also pretty healthy compared to other chocolate chip cookie recipes, simply because in this recipe I'm going to be using oat flour and coconut sugar, which are a little healthier than other flours and other sugars. So I'm just super excited to share this with you guys because these cookies came out so good. They're healthy, well, healthier than other cookies, so you don't have to feel that guilty while eating them. They're great to bring to holiday parties or to give to like your neighbors as a little like holiday treat. I'm sure you guys are dying to find out how to make these cookies, so let's just jump right into it. Before doing anything, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The ingredients you will need are oat flour, baking powder, baking soda, sea salt, coconut oil solidified, coconut sugar, flax egg, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. To keep this recipe vegan, make sure that your chocolate chips are dairy-free. I will also be posting all of the measurements below in the description box. Now you will need to add your sea salt, baking powder, and baking soda into the oat flour and mix until everything is well combined. If you're making this recipe, please use a large bowl to combine your ingredients, unlike I did. I unfortunately did not have a large bowl with me, so this is what I was working with. Set your oat flour aside once you're done mixing in the sea salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And after that, you're going to add your solidified coconut oil into your coconut sugar. If your coconut oil is not solidified, just put it in the freezer for a few minutes until it gets a little bit hard and just scoop it right out. Now you're just going to mash the coconut oil into the coconut sugar. You want it to come out a little bit clumpy. After that, you're going to add your vanilla extract, your flax egg, mix everything together. You want to make sure it's well incorporated. It's gonna come out looking like this, like mud kind of. That's the texture we want. And after that, you're just going to scoop all of it into your oat flour. Sorry, not all of it. You want to add it little by little. This is where you're really going to need a bigger bowl because it can get messy and it's just a lot easier to mix everything in a large bowl. I switched over to a wooden spoon because I felt like it was a little bit easier to mix everything together. After a long time of mixing, your dough should look like this, and then you can just go ahead and dump in all of your chocolate chips and mix that all in together. After you're done folding in the chocolate chips into the cookie dough, scoop out some of the dough with an ice cream scooper or a spoon. I'm using a tablespoon and scooping out about 1.5 tablespoons and rolling the dough into balls and placing them on a greased foil. You can use parchment paper, but I didn't have any, so I just greased up some foil with coconut oil. Now you're just going to press the top of your cookie dough with the bottom of a mason jar. Place the tray into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. After that, you just want to place the cookies on a cookie tray to let them cool. If you don't have a cookie tray, you can use some fresh foil paper or parchment paper and they will cool just fine there. Alright guys, I'm back with the finished product. Oh my god. They look perfect. Like the perfect chocolate chip cookies ever. Oh my goodness. They smell so good. Alright. I'm gonna try these out for you guys. Let's see. Look at that. It's so beautiful. These are amazing. They're so chewy in the inside and it has like a little crunch in the outside. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just like so like gooey. Oh my goodness. I can't even get it on camera. It's so sad. Anyways, I really hope you guys try this recipe out. I hope you love them. If you do, make them. Take a picture or post it on Instagram and tag me, Victoria SB Vegan. I would love to see the creation. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see more recipe videos like this one. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Leave comments down below. Subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.